Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Suzuki Boulevard C50 800cc V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This thing is cool. Classic styling, plenty of chrome, engine guards, floorboards, Mustang saddle. It's got a rear fender, luggage rack, shaft drive. This bike is it. Come by, make your solo cruiser dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, did I mention Cobra pipes? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.